Do I have a bosses? Wala ba akong bosses, guys? Good evening, everyone. Let me see if I have a voice or... Thanks, Visha, please. You have gained new followers. Wow, thank you so much for following me. Thank you so much, huh? And follow me back here, Visha. Yeah, I'll follow you later, guys. Meron ba akong voice? Do I have a voice? It's recorded now. I will gonna see if I have a voice here.